life gives you lessons at the most unusual of places. You learn from life when you least expect out of it. I was in class 11th when I passed on from my 10th board examinations to a new school and altogether a new curriculum. And mathematics was a huge pain in my neck. Anyhow, I was really bad at simple mathematics all through my school life till 10th standard. And in 11th, we had calculus, we had integration, we had differentiation, we had trigonometry, we had advanced algebra, and all of them made me dyslexic. I was getting under the burden of trying to improve and perform in every maths test that was being held in my class. I failed in the first test, I failed in the second test, I failed in the first yearlies, and I failed in the half yearlies. And then came a point where I had to get into a conversation with my maths teacher. Now, my maths teacher, a newly fresh graduate from a top university in Delhi, an honors in mathematics, and a great teacher. And there was no sum that she could not solve. And when I met her, I told her my problem. I said, "Ma'am, when I get down to solve a particular solution, I get stuck. More often than not, every kid in the class is able to find the solution. But when I try to get there, I get stuck. And I really want to do it all by myself. I don't want to get help from other students because I want to solve this problem all by myself. But I cannot find the problem to certain problems and certain sums." My teacher smiled and she said that if there is a problem in this book, if there is a sum in this book, and if it has put in there by the author, there is no way that there is not a solution. If you put your mind and your effort into it, you will find the solution to that problem. Life moved on. I failed in the consecutive examinations and I barely managed to pass in the 12th board examinations. But do you know what? A simple learning stuck with me. She said, if there is a problem that the author has put in this book, there has to be a solution to it. Fast forward my life in today's scenario. Let's try to pluck a leaf from that lesson. There would be a lot of problems that each one of you is facing. You, me, the President of India, the Prime Minister of England, everybody is facing a problem. And a whole lot of people are not able to find the solution to that problem. But if God, the author, has put that problem on this earth, there has to be a solution. If you put your mind and your effort in solving that problem, there is no way that you cannot find a solution. God, the author, has already given a solution. But He has not served the solution on a platter to you. You'll have to put that effort. You'll have to put your mind. that conversation has still stuck with me in my life. I cannot forget that conversation because that conversation is like a diamond to me. I might have not passed the maths examination, but I'm sure with that learning,